Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about becoming a paid speaker. And I know for a lot of people that is their dream. They dream of getting up on stage, wowing the audience and being paid lots of money to do it. And I know I've got that dream as well. And was thinking about this a lot when I received an email from an old colleague of mine, and she said to me, "Kay, how are you?" And then she said, "I've decided I want to become a paid speaker. Can you please tell me where I can find some speaking opportunities that will pay me?" And I thought, wow, yeah, that's a great question. And it reminded me of my own journey where many years ago I decided I wanted to branch out on my own in my own business and be a paid speaker. Now, I knew that I was really good at it. I'd been teaching and training for many years. I'd spoken at conferences, and I always received really good feedback about doing that. So I knew that my speaking skills were really good. However, I wasn't so good at working out how I could get paid for it. Now, luckily for me, I found a mentor, and working with this mentor over many years, I learned what I needed to do to get myself known as a speaker and to be there when paid opportunities came up. And I remember one of the biggest things my mentor said to me was, "Kay, nobody is going to pay you to be a speaker if they don't know you're a speaker." And I thought, yeah, well, that makes sense. But we went on to look at my website, my social media, especially my Facebook business page and YouTube. And we worked on the fact that when people looked for me or they looked at my website or YouTube channel, it was very clear that I was a speaker. And so that's what I did. I spent quite a lot of time updating those, and I still update those on a regular basis. So my suggestion to this colleague was, number one, find a mentor, and number two, get yourself out there, do some free workshops, get some videos of you running the workshops, get some testimonials, and really make sure that when people look at your website, your social media, that they know immediately that you're a speaker and that you've got examples of that and you've got a portfolio. I always remember my mentor. She's the one who basically saved my butt by making sure that I knew what to do. I saved a lot of time and money by getting things set up at the beginning. So to this colleague, I suggested she also find a mentor, somebody who has been through that stage of becoming a paid speaker. I offered her that I was happy to chat to her and see if we're a good fit. If not, if she wanted to work with somebody else, that was fine, but that she really did need to find a mentor because in the long run it would save her. So my suggestions to you, if you want to be paid as a speaker, number one, find a mentor. Number two, get your social media and website up to date. And number three, get some videos and testimonials from some free events that you run. Doing all that are the first steps towards becoming a paid speaker.